Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Recently, it becomes really hot. Definitely, you want to drink some ice juice. Hold on. You cannot just mix them together without blending. But soda water doesn't like shake. Today, I will tell you how to make a simple juice mixer using 3D printer and 130 series motor. We can mix the juice in the juice bottle directly. Let's start. First, make a shaft which connects to the motor shaft and a 3mm rod. This structure can handle heavy load using screws and nuts. Then, make a shaft connect 3mm rod to head. I designed several types of head for a different type of motor. And the motor case, of course. In large torque but low speed, you can use this type of head. In small torque but high speed, you can use this type of head. Usually, they will be the most used head. Print them. All printed without support layer except the motor case. Construct them all together. You will need several different length M3 screws to fix the shaft, and the M3x6 hexagon socket head set screws are the best choice. Now it is ready. For mixed Coca Cola with Fanta, you will not do like this. You should stop the motor immediately after turning on them. Several times repeat this procedure, they should be okay. But the taste of the Coca Cola and Fanta mixture juice sucks. You will definitely make this cocktail juice mixture. Mixed ice cream, for example, vanilla with ice-cold Coca Cola. They are great to taste. In fact, they are my favorite summer drink a long time ago. But now, I must control the cholesterol level, so the ice cream is almost forbidden in my dessert list. You can try it if you are not bothered with this health program. I'm quite sure you will like it. That's all for today. I hope it will give you some help. Hope you'll be fine. And do me a favor, click the subscribe button. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon. Hope you have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TubeU channel is waiting for you.